Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the TCL 605. Alright, so before we begin, we need to open up our settings. Now let's scroll down and let's click on the Google. And in here, simply make sure that you are logged in into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. It is really important because if you are logged in into other Google account, there's a chance that you won't be able to restore your chats. So make sure that you're logged in into the proper account. Now, open up your downloaded WhatsApp, select your language, then click on this green arrow. In here, click on Agree and Continue. We can allow to send us the notifications, and now we need to type our phone number. So that's what I'm going to do. When we type our phone number, we also need to verify it. We have a few options how we can verify. It can be missed call, or for example, an SMS from the code from the SMS message. So I'm going to type my password and I'll see you once I have verified it. Alright, I just verified my phone number and that's the thing that appeared right after contacts and media. Now in here we need to click on continue. In here click on allow, allow and allow. And now within seconds we should have possibility to restore our chats. Yeah, here it is. We have a possibility to do it. We can see below when the last backup was made. In my case, it was yesterday at 2 p.m. Below we can see its size and we can see the account on which we made that backup. And as you can see, it's the same Google account that I'm currently logged into in my settings, which I was showing you in the beginning of this video. Now, remember that if you don't restore your data, your chats right now, there's a chance that you won't be able to do it later. So I suggest you should do it right now. Click on Restore. Now the process will start, so let's wait until it's finished. In my case, it's not going to take long because I don't have that many messages. Okay, so let's wait until it gets restored. Alright, 30 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Let's click on Next. Under the profile info in here, simply type your name. If you are interested in changing profile photo, click right in here and select the photo from your gallery. Click on Next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored. And all of our chats. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.